Hey there everyone, welcome back in Dart Programming Language Tutorial Series. In this tutorial we are going to discuss for each loop. Now I'm going to remove my previous code here. We'll take a variable numbers and we'll store here an array 1, 5, 8, 99, something like that. Okay, now I'm going to run my for each loop, for each, and element num, and I'm going to pass here a arrow function. This arrow function we will discuss later. Print and num. Save, run. We have here our arrow array, and we print out using for each loop. And about this arrow function we'll discuss later. So this is how we can use for each loop. And while loop, the next one, I think that's better for this tutorial. We finish here. For while loop we'll create another tutorial, so it's easy to understand, and you can complete your Dart easily, because if video tutorial length is increased, it's difficult to understand, or sometimes we forget. So that's for this tutorial. See you next one.